the top 10 factors that influence a customer's S/4HANA conversion decision. The first column gives you the influencing factors, and we have listed 2 customers that we have worked with and what were their responses for having chosen either the conversion or the new implementation journey. If you look at this, you would see that the duration of an S4 conversion definitely is lesser than a new implementation. And when you do the conversion, it's definitely a big bang approach. You don't decide to simplify, convert certain processes or certain data. It is a big bang approach where you take your entire ECC system with all the data, the configuration, and move on to S4. And the skills that are required for the conversion are both technical and functional, because that S4 conversion is more a functional upgrade than a technical upgrade. From our experience, I can cite 3 reasons for why a system conversion is more complex than it appears. The system conversion is not like a EHP upgrade or a technical upgrade that the ECC customers have been used to doing in the past. And the reason 2, we end up replacing the operating system, the database, and also the application. And this has a lot more functional complexities than the technical roadblocks. Number 3, the system conversion process is complex because of the data migration that happens from the ECC data structure to the S4 data structure. And the checks that are done to ensure that all the data has been migrated from ECC to S4 is very critical to take it forward. There are a lot of tools that are available to do this validation, and I will touch upon them later as we move forward. So how long does a typical S4HANA migration take place? If you look at it, comparing a greenfield to a conversion, you see the conversion is about three months lesser than a greenfield project. But who are the customers who choose conversion? These are much larger customers who are willing to take all the data and move forward. This is based on analysis done in 2018. What you have up on the screen is a simple flowchart that will help you decide how you move forward. Let's take a sample customer who has his current processes, and he wants an enable long-term strategy. If the answer to that is yes, then the next question I would ask him is, do you want your new processes? Do you want the reimagined business processes? And how many of those are there? If there are few, and if he's happy to stay with his current ECC processes, then he can step into S4 as a conversion. But if he has too many business models that have to be changed, then I would suggest that he would go for a new implementation. The reason being, if you're changing your configuration completely, then you would have to have a different set of discovery workshops to help you understand the existing business process that you have as against the S4 business processes. And then a new implementation is more realistic for you. And again, another question on the historical data. If you want to carry forward all your historical data, then a new implementation is not the choice for you. Reason being, if you're going to set up a new S4 system and try to migrate, let's say, 10 to 12 years of data, that becomes a very, very cumbersome task. So 3 questions. One is about the historical data, the second about the business processes, and the new business model. How ready the customer is to adapt all this.